So welcome back to Pi practice. Today we're gonna do a much simpler video than the last one because the last one I haven't recorded my voice in it, and it's about 10 minutes about a cute. And for the last video I have explained what it's Codewars and how it works and how can you improve your coding skills and challenge with this website. It is a great place to work with, and I do believe you can just put this in your CV and cover letter as well, because if you have a good rank in it. Today I'm gonna do more advanced than the last video because we do the last time we do it's AQ, but today I was thinking to do 6Q. I know we skipped 7, we're gonna leave it for now, and I'm gonna sort it by probability, and I'm gonna do that I have not completed. So let's do that. So the first question. Okay, so let me take some time. I'm not a great an expert in here, but most of the time I usually spend about 30 minutes figuring it out how to solve the problem. Okay, so we do IPv4 into integer 32. Take the following address. This address has 4 octets where each octet is a single byte or 8 bits. Okay, so first 128 has a binary representation of, I believe it's 10 million, is it? So it's a number 128. Okay, that's cool. It's a binary representation of because the above IP address has 32 bits, we can represent it as 32-bit number. So we could have to convert binary to 32-bit. Write a function and returns a 32-bit. Okay, so I spoke about it the last video, but the voice did not record it. But I'm gonna say it again. So in order to solve the problem, because you're not gonna know everything, right? So you must know how to search the keyword or the thing that you want to complete your algorithm or the problem that you're solving. You have to be able to search in there. So in this case, I don't know how to convert from binary to 32-bit, so I'm gonna do that real quick. How to convert binary to 32-bit Python. Let's hit that button, so we should get the problem here. So format, it's 100. Convert an integer into 32-bit Python. Integer. Okay, didn't expect that. So 32-bit binary. So what was the question again? We can represent it as 32-bit number. 32-bit number. It doesn't look 32-bit to me. What is convert an integer into 32-bit binary Python? Very interesting. So that's definitely not. So we have binary to 32 int 32. The one I'm looking for. Get to an treasure. 64, 32. Okay, so we're gonna solve step by step here. So I was thinking that should have this number first. So click solve. So let's test this one. So it's gonna be in a string array. Okay. So in order to get that, so we're gonna get a binary array. So I'm gonna do ns. I'm gonna do binary here. I'm gonna do a string type for. I'm gonna call a IP. Not the best. Let's call it P. Let's call it so on IP split with this space there. So we're gonna do ns plus equal. It's gotta append that. It's gonna be a more sustained way to do so. So then we're gonna do this. We're gonna do binary append of in. So it's gonna be a string. So do we have to convert them back to? So take in treasure, definitely. We have to do I there. So let's return it through a click to see if we get the right answer. Definitely. So we're gonna cut at the first OB. Yeah. So okay. I think I just cut it the wrong thing. Yep, so we're gonna have exact same thing as this part. So we have to do I was thinking so let's do by to int Python. Just do int treasure and that's number in there. So yeah, you can watch. Is it here? 0, 1. Doesn't look like that we get the right. Okay, it's the wrong one. Okay, I'm gonna test this one because we have them as a reference. Oh, okay. Okay, so we should have. Oh, so the len it's very interesting here. So okay, this one it's 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. So we can do a few as well. Dot 0 few 8. So we should have them in place of this one. So then we can show this binary. So we're gonna do int treasure show binary of 2. So we should get the number, and that's it. You can do this one with a list comprehension, but I'm gonna leave it for now. So test if this thing works out. And it seems that it works just fine. And that's it. So you can get to see what they are up to and blah blah blah. I know that my solution it's probably not the best, the most effective and anything like that. I haven't learned in depth about memory management and the algorithm thing. I mean the effective one. So if it wasn't too bad, I'm gonna give it somewhat. So let's see. Oh, this guy is kind of smart. He used iPad address import. Very interesting. Sorry to say that's not accepted in real interview. To check whether you can expect it. If it didn't want to use library, then I would code it in C. Okay. So that's one soft. So it's 10 minutes. I think I should, end here and we can have another videos or even stream. I was thinking about the streaming. I'm not sure. If anyone wanna watch that, I guess just hit me in the comment and I might do that for you. Even just one or two people just fine. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this might be useful for some kind. So I'm planning that I'm gonna do these kind of video more and more, and I'm gonna upload it so we can talk about how you can solve the problem when you hit something that you don't understand, how you can search it, and practice it together. I will bring more resources that I have been practiced more and known, and hopefully this thing it's gonna help you a little bit. Just enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching.